Good morning, friends. As you know, we were doing problems on pressure in fluids from ICSE Physics, class 9 book. So today's problem is, in an hydraulic machine, a force of 2 Newton is applied on the piston of area of cross section 10 centimeter square. What force is obtained on its piston of area of cross section 100 centimeters. So we can see in the figure, I will draw another figure for you. If this is kind of one piston and this is another piston, one is small and it is connected. Okay, this is connected piston. So let me make it clear for you so that you can understand the connection. This is connected. Let mark this as piston A and this as piston B kind of a thing. So A, obviously we can see from the figure, A is having a smaller cross section area. So A is equal to, cross section area is 10 centimeter square and B having a cross section area of 100 centimeters square. So now there is a force on A via a piston. There is this force and there's some fluids out here inside. It could be a brake oil, it could be any kind of hydraulic oil that is required. This is like whatever you have to consider is, it's a fluid. Okay. So he's asking, what is this force? Like if I push a force on piston A, that is, it is going this side and it is transmitted via this fluids, and then it is acting upward on piston B on here. So what is this force felt on piston B? For this, we have to recall one very important law called Pascal's law. It states that the pressure exerted anywhere in this confined liquid is transmitted equally and undiminished in all directions throughout this liquid. So if I say there is a pressure here at A as PA, and then this pressure is transmitted throughout this liquid and goes and hits this point with PB, PA is equal to PB. So according to Pascal's law, PA is equal to PB. It is transmitted equally. That's why it is PA is equal to PB and undiminished. There is no loss of pressure. So now we know from the formula of pressure is P is equal to force or thrust per unit area. Okay, so we can denote for PA, the force is equal to FA by area of A. Okay, and for PB it will be FB by area of B. Okay, this is for area B. Okay, so now according to this, PA is equal to PB. So FA by area of piston A, this is equal to FB by area of piston B. So this ratio is constant no matter how many points we take anywhere in this particular fluid. This pressure is constant everywhere according to Pascal's law. So now if this is what we get, now if you can put the values that has been given, like Fa is how much? Fa is 2 Newton, and A of A is 10 centimeters square, and A of B is 100 centimeters square. You have to find out FB. So Fa, I will write the formula one more time so that it's in a new page. You can see it equal to FB by AB. Okay. Now observe one thing. These areas are given in CGS unit. It's better to convert in SI unit. Even if you don't convert it, since the ratio, it get cancels out. But just to keep it standardized, let's convert everything in SI unit. So 10 centimeters square will be nothing but 10 into 10 to the power minus 4 meters square, and 100 centimeters square will be nothing but 100 into 10 to the power minus 4 meters square. Fa is 2 Newton, so we put it at 2 Newton. AA is 10 into 10 to the power minus 4 meters square. We don't know the value of FB, so just put FB as it is, and then AB is nothing but 100 into 10 to the power minus 4 meters square. So these two things gets cancelled out. 1 0 from here, 1 0 from here cancel out. So this becomes 1, and this is 10. So FB, now if you cross multiply this with this and then this with this, so you get like 2 into 10 Newton is equal to FB into 1. So that gives FB, or force felt on piston B, is equal to 20 Newton. So this is our answer. 20 Newton is our answer. So now we just recapitulate the entire thing. So here the pressure PA is equal to PB. Since both these things are equal, we have equated PA equal to PB out here and put the values of PA and PB, that is FA by area of A, cross section area of A, and FB by cross section area of B. So since we have seen the area, you just observe one thing: the area becomes double, the force felt also becomes double. See, area was 10, and area becomes 10 times. It's not double, it's 10 times. Area was 10 centimeter at A and 100 centimeter at B, so it's just 10 times of A, the cross section area. And the force at A was 2 Newton, and B, at B point, the force that is felt, that you have calculated and found out, was 10 times 20 Newton. So the area would have been 100 times, so the force felt would have been 100 times. So now we know how to multiply force through this hydraulic brakes and machines. That's why we can see in a car, you just push the brake, which is a very small thing, and the entire car comes to an halt. So it's like with the press of your feet, and we can control the entire car, kind of such an heavy of couple of ton car. With just a press of a feet we can do that. That works because the force can get multiplied if we increase the area of that particular point where we want to multiply the force. Thank you. We'll do few more problems regarding brakes and fluids that will make things clear. If you have any doubt, you can just post your doubts on the comment section in my YouTube channel. 21st Century Learning .com is 21st CL. That's the YouTube channel. Thank you very much.